And we are Team Reese. And today, we ain't got a whole lot going on today, y'all. Right now, I'm just getting ready to hook up some chicken wings for our meal prep for this week. So I was just washing them. I'm getting ready to oil them, grease them on up, and put some seasoning on them. RJ trying to get some batteries for something. What you need batteries for, baby?
The Xbox is over here.
Okay.
And then
Let's go get some batteries. Come on, go ahead.
Okay. What?
This is our junk basket, everybody.
Where are they?
Look in the other basket. You don't see them in there, look in the next one. Nope, those are SD cards. Look through there, I'm about to go back over here with mommy. Hey everybody, it's Ray. You heard my voice earlier. Hope everybody's doing well. We're just kind of chilling on this Vlogmas Day 29.
I wish it was 29.
Man, it's crazy.
This Vlogmas life is something.
You gotta be ready to do this Vlogmas life. Do you guys have a child that don't really look that much, and then you go find it, they look at you like, oh, it was right there the whole time? Yeah, it was right there the whole time.
I need help.
What do you need help with?
I need batteries.
The child needs help. Can somebody help the child? Y'all feel like helping?
Don't run away.
Please, please.
Y'all, I'm just getting ready to hook up this chicken because we need some meal prep. And then we're going to do some shopping in a little bit. But first, I got to get this chicken fixed. I can't get tall. Get this chicken cooked. I already washed it. I just got to put some olive oil on it and season
Olive
it
oil.
up. Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Season it up.
𝐸.
I need some seasonings. Because you got to season your food, you know?
So
I use a lot of seasoning.
So
Don't be short people want spice cat.
No.
Don't be short people. I ain't ashamed. That's all right. The food be good though. Seasoning right here. It is Tuscan herb seasoning. We got it from this Lowry's meat market up in Michigan. This stuff is so good. I use it on everything, and it's almost gone already. I'm gonna have to give me some more. But I use it on chicken. I use it in sauces, salmon. I use it on all that stuff, and it's really, really, really good. But let me see what else we gonna do. So I just put some olive oil on the chicken. I gotta season it, and a lot of my seasonings I need 2 hands for because I got all these like grinders and stuff. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to put y'all down. All right, so I have my chicken all seasoned up, getting ready to put it in the oven. I gotta put a little bit of water in the bottom of my 2 pans. Hang on. I'm just putting a little bit of water in the bottom of the pan. Right here. And this pan too. Right here. Just a little bit, just so it don't like stick too much. You want it to stick a little bit because that's how you get that nice like crispy crunchity on there. But go ahead and put these in the oven. 1 and 2. Give us some chicken to eat for the week. Oh, y'all Ray's out here putting up some more of the Christmas decorations. Right, back up. First of all, my little overlay garland thing that was here over the door, a tornado decided to come through the other night and just blew my little stuff in the yard. Ray, how was it laying in the yard? With the lights on. It was just laying in the yard with the lights on like that. So Ray just got up here and put it back up. He getting ready to put our blanket lights over the bushes here. We got some blanket lights to go on there. We couldn't find them at first, so we finally found them. So he getting ready to put those out. And also, my sister gave me some more decorations, so I'm getting ready to put some of that stuff out too. Like, she gave me a couple of really big, really nice, oh, I'm gonna have to blur my license plate out. She gave me a really nice, these 2 really nice, what do you call these things? Lanterns to go out. So I think, let's see what we gonna do here. Let's go for a walk. Y'all come with me. Come with me. Come with me. We're gonna see how this looks because I got these little lanterns out here right now. But I thought I could put a big one here too. So I think I'm gonna move my little lantern and put my, oops, she just told me don't pick that up by the top because it's broke. If she see this video, she gonna be laughing. Okay, so I'm gonna push that there. Of course, I want that to be out front. And then I don't know if I should put this kind of here next to it like that. Maybe? I don't know. Hold on, this ain't right either. Because I want the candles to show. And we want to spin that around, so that's on the front. What y'all think? That look right together like that? I don't know. Maybe if I angle that a little bit and then put this next to it like that. Maybe? I don't know, child. Child, I don't know. I don't know. Y'all know this ain't my thing. Let's see. Okay, this is what it looks like with both of them out. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Just have to, Ray gotta get that ladder out the way. But right now he is working on putting up these blanket lights on the bushes. How's it going, babe? Good? So we have icicle lights for the banisters on this side, but we can't find them. We don't know where they are. So we might have to buy a couple sets of icicle lights too to go over here. Wait, is that them right there? I think we only had one because it's not that long. It's only for the one side. Let's see. We might actually have everything we need. Ain't God good? Ain't God all right, y'all? Ain't God all right? Ain't he all right? Ain't he all right? I thought Ray was dancing. He ain't dancing. No, he's disappointing. All right, I just hung up some icicle lights. I guess you can't really see them if I don't plug them in, huh? Let's see. Let me see if I can show y'all the work I done put in. Let me plug her in. There we go. So I added these icicle lights to the banister on this side. Ray is still working on getting the blanket lights going on the bushes over here. But we get in there. Looking good. And the Lord said, let there be light. There is light out there. Hallelujah. I'm getting ready to make some green beans in the Ninja Foodie to go along with the chicken that I'm baking in the oven. Ooh, I may have let that sit just a few seconds too long. Just hit it with a little more oil. It's gonna be all right. A little more oil. All right. Mix that in, y'all. It's hard cooking with one hand. I'm sorry if this camera is going all over the place. But I got some onion in there. I got some canned green beans. I dump all of the juice off of my green beans. I don't like the juice. So all the juice is out. And just dump the green beans in there. And usually I put smoked turkey sausage in here, but I don't have any, so we just gonna make it do what it do. But these are the seasonings that I use. Onion powder. I use garlic powder. I use my Trader Joe's onion salt. I use black pepper. I use Cajun seasoning. Regular pink Himalayan salt. And I'm missing something. Oh, my Hidden Valley Ranch. So I'm getting ready to season these up, put some garlic in there, and then I'm gonna set it and let it cook. I forgot to tell y'all that I put some chicken broth in there too. So put some chicken broth in the green beans too. I only put enough to just like cover the green beans and not even cover it completely. Just enough to where it's like not dry. I don't know how else to explain it. I just put enough in that it kind of covers the green beans. So got those in there. I got the garlic in there. Everything is all seasoned up. Like I said, I usually have some turkey smoked sausage to go in there, but I don't have any today, so it is what it is. Got the lid on. Got it on whatever the opposite of vent is. I can't read it because it's too dark. Put it on seal. Got it on seal. Put it on pressure cook on high for 20 minutes. And start. Y'all, I just left my sister's house before we got home, and she gave me all of this stuff to add to my Christmas tree. So I'm excited because I really feel like I needed some more decorations on the Christmas tree. So look, I got some throws to put on the couches. I got some more bulbs to put on the tree. I gotta go through this stuff because I really feel like it needs some more. And also, I don't think I showed y'all. You might have saw it in our mukbang video, but we got another Christmas tree up too. Look, this is falling off. Come on now, get it together. We got another Christmas tree that we put up here in the dining room. So I have to, I need a skirt for it. Look, child, this is the struggle tree over here. Y'all see it wobbling? Look real close. You can see that thing wobbling. This is definitely the struggle tree. I have a bigger tree. I might switch it out and put that one over here instead. I don't think I got enough stuff to put on that tree though. So, and that would mean I would have to go buy more stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna take some of the stuff that she gave me, some of the red items, add them to this tree because it needs more. And then some of the stuff that's like red and white, I'm gonna add to this tree because I feel like it needs a little bit more too. So that's what I'm getting ready to do.
Okay, everybody, this is the finished product for outside. This is a close-up view. That's the garland that was attacked by the wind and now back up there. The lights and things we have outside, the lanterns we have outside. These are the bushes. Close-up wide shot, go around the car. You get a better view of it. Those are the bushes, that's the front. That's the pole. That's a regular pole. That's all I gotta say about that. And that's the front of the house. One of my ground lights is not working, but they solar power. They sensitive, but it's all good. There it is.
The green beans are done. Y'all see it? Can y'all see the steam coming out that joker? Y'all, I didn't get one of these. I didn't get one of these pressure cookers for the longest time because I was so scared of this right here, that part. Yeah, I was frightened, terribly frightened. But so far, so good. I ain't hurt myself yet. I also added this pretty tree skirt to this tree in the corner of the dining room my sister gave me. So I have a bunch more bulbs to add to this tree, but I don't have any hooks, so I gotta buy some hooks when we go out. But that's how that's going. Of course, you hear the green beans still sounding off over there. The chicken is looking really good. It's probably gonna steam up, but that's what the chicken is looking like so far. It's got another hour left, but so far so good.